If you're planning to apply for a state ID and you're not sure where to start, this video will walk you through it. We'll be using Texas as an example, but the steps are similar across most states. The only thing that really changes is the type of documents you'll need, so always check your own state's DMV website to be sure. Let's start with what a state ID is. It's an official government-issued card that proves who you are, just like a driver's license, but without the driving privileges. It's useful for traveling, opening bank accounts, or proving your age. Now, even though the full process can't usually be completed online, there are a few things you can do ahead of time to make your visit faster and easier. First, you'll need to gather the right documents. Most states ask for 4 things: proof of citizenship or legal presence, proof of residency, proof of identity, and your social security number. In Texas, for example, you can use a U.S. passport for citizenship, a utility bill with your name and address for residency, and a birth certificate or valid school ID for identity. But again, your state might accept different documents, so check the list provided on your local DMV website. To help with this, some states like Texas have an online document checklist tool. You just answer a few questions and it tells you exactly what to bring. It's a good way to avoid showing up with missing paperwork. Once you have your documents ready, go to your state's DMV website and look for the ID application form. Some states let you fill it out online before your appointment. In Texas, you can find this under Apply for an Identification Card. It's not required, but it can definitely save you time at the office. Now it's time to book your appointment. On most DMV websites, you'll see an option like Schedule Appointment or Book a Visit. Pick a location near you and choose the time that works best. On the day of your appointment, bring your printed or saved application and all of your original documents. Once you're there, a staff member will review your info, take your photo, collect your signature and fingerprints, and charge the application fee. If you're a disabled veteran, some states, including Texas, offer fee waivers. You can find that info on your state's Veteran Services page. Before you leave, you'll get a temporary paper ID to use while your physical card is being printed. The actual card usually arrives in the mail within 4 to 6 weeks. While you're still at the office, double-check that all the information on the temporary card is correct. If something's off, let them know before it gets finalized. And just so you know, if you already have a driver's license, you probably won't be eligible for a state ID unless you surrender that license during the application. Lastly, if you're a foreign student or temporary visitor, the steps are generally the same, but you may be asked for additional documents. Most DMV websites have a section specifically for non-US citizens where you can see exactly what's needed. That's it. If you're prepared and have your documents ready, the whole process is pretty straightforward, no matter what state you're in.